Hi everyone, welcome to R&R Raghavendra channel. This is the continuation video of the exercise 1.1 fourth heading. Here the question is that we need to find out whether the given pattern forms an AP or not. If it forms, we need to find out common difference and also write three more terms. To find out whether it forms an common AP or not, we need to find out two common differences. That is, first A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2. Then we will know whether the given pattern forms an AP or not. Let's start with the second answer question, that is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. Here A1 will be 2, A2 will be 5 by 2, A3 will be 3, A4 will be 7 by 2. Let's find out the common difference. See, the common difference here, it is D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 5 by 2 minus 2. Here, as there is no denominator, we need to take it as 1, and denominators are different, so we need to take LCM. LCM of 2 and 1 will be 2. We need to check that 2. Here the 2 is 2 1s are 2 and 1 2s are 2. We need to multiply it to the denominator, that is 1 into 5 will be 5 and 2 into 2 will be 4. If we subtract 5 and 4, we will get 1 and denominator will be 2, that is D is equal to 1 by 2. In the same way, A3 minus A2 will be 3 minus 5 by 2. We need to find out LCM, that is 2, and if we multiply, that is 1 2s are 2, so we need to multiply 2 to the denominator, and here we need to multiply 1, and 2 3s are 6 and 5 1s are 5. Therefore 6 minus 5 will be 1 and denominator will be 2, that is 1 by 2. You can see that the both common differences are same. Therefore the given pattern forms an AP with the D 1 by 2. So we need to find out next terms, that are A5, A6 and A7. Here you can see that A4 is 7 by 2. By using this, we need to find out A5, that is A5 is equal to A4 plus D. Here A4 is 7 by 2 multiplied, that is here it will be into 2 and here it will be into 1. 4 2s are 8 and 1 1s are 1. Here we will get 8 plus 1, that is 9, and denominator 2, that is 9 by 2. A6 will be 9 by 2. A7 is equal to A6 plus D, that is 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Here denominators are same, therefore no need to take LCM and directly add the numerator, that is 9 plus 1, that will be 10 by 2. If we cancel it, we will get 5, that is A7 will be 5. Now let's move on to the third question, that is minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2. Here the first term is minus 1.2, second will be minus 3.2, third will be minus 5.2, fourth will be minus 7.2. Let's find out whether this forms an AP or not. Here the common difference is common difference between first two terms will be minus 3.2 minus of minus 1 by 1.2. If we multiply these two minus into minus, we will get plus, and these two are having unlike signs, that is minus and plus, so we need to subtract it. If we subtract, we will get the answer as 2 and minus 2, because the 3.2 is greater than 1.2, therefore the D will be minus 2. Next D is A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 5.2, therefore minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2. Here same minus into minus will be plus, and as the signs are different, we need to subtract it. Here also we will get the minus 2, as D is constant. You can see that both D are same, therefore it forms an AP with the common difference minus 2. So we need to find out AP, A5, A6 and A7. Here the A4 is minus 7.2. By using this, we can find out A5. A5 will be A4 plus D, that is minus 7.2 plus of minus 2. Here plus into minus will be minus. As the signs are same, we need to add them. You can see that the 7.2 plus 2 will be 9.2, and it will, as both the signs are minus, we need to take minus sign. That will be A5 will be minus 9.2. Here next one A6, that is A5 plus D. We have got the A5 that is minus 9.2, and here plus into minus will be minus. Same, in the same way here also this sign is same, we need to add it, that the A6 we will get it as minus 11.2. In the same way A7 will be minus 13.2. Fourth one is minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2. Let's find out the common difference. Here the common difference D is A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 6 and A1 is minus 10. If we subtract them, this minus into minus will be plus, and as the signs are different, we need to subtract it. That is 10 minus 6 will be 4. It will be plus 4 because the greatest number is having the plus sign. Next two terms common difference will be A3 minus A2, that is A3 is minus 2 and A2 is minus 6. Here minus into minus will be plus, that will be minus 2 plus 6. Here also the signs are different, so we need to subtract them. We will get the answer as 4. You can see that both the differences are same. That is first two terms difference is also same, and next two terms difference is same. Therefore here the D is constant with the D is equal to 4. Therefore we need to find out 3 more terms, that is A5, A6 and A7. Here A4 is 2. By using this we need to find out A5, that is A4 plus D will be 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 will be 6. So therefore A5 will be 6 and A6 will be 10, that is 6 plus 4, as A5 is 6. Then A7 will be A6 plus D, that is here A6 is and D is 4, therefore answer will be 14. These are the A5, A6 and A7. Next problem is 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 and so on. We need to find out whether it forms an AP or not. So let's continue. That is D is equal to, here the common difference D will be A2 minus A1, that is here A2 is 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 3 plus root 2 minus A1 is 3. Here this is plus 3, this is minus 3. Therefore the answer will be 0, as here it is plus and here it is minus. The signs are different, so it will be cancelled. That will be the answer will be root 2. Next one A3 minus A2. Here A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus A2 is 3 plus root 2. Here you can see that 3 plus root 2. Write this term as it is, and here minus into plus will be minus 3 and minus into plus root 2 will be minus root 2. Therefore as one is positive, another one is negative, it can be cancelled, that is cancel it. And you can see that 2 root 2 minus root 2 is remaining. As here there is no number, we consider it as 1. If we subtract them, 2 minus 1 will be 1, root 2. Taking root 2 as common, we will get root 2. You can see that first D is also same and second one is also same. Therefore D is constant, it forms an AP with D is equal to root 2. Let's find out A5, A6 and A7. Here A4 given it is 3 plus 3 root 2. You can write it as A5 as A4 plus D. A4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 plus D is root 2. Here root 2, you can take root 2 as common, and here 3 plus, as there is no number, you can take it as 1. Therefore 3 plus 1 will be 4. Here answer will be 3 plus 4 root 2. Here 3 will be written as it is because there it is only a number, and here you should take root 2 as common, as these two are having root 2. That will be A5 will be 3 plus 4 root 2. A6 is A5 plus D. We got the answer of A5, that is 3 plus 4 root 2, and D is root 2. In the same way, here also you need to take root 2 as common, that will be 4 plus 1, and the answer here we will get the 3 plus 5 root 2. A7 will be A6 plus D. A6 is 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2. We should write 3 as it is, and here in these two terms root 2 is common, so we need to write root 2, and the remaining 5 and 1 should be added, that is A7 we will get it as A7 is equal to 3 plus 6 root 2. Next problem is, the given problem is 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222 and so on. We need to find out the common difference, and we should find out whether it forms an AP or not. Let's continue. That is, the common difference is equal to A2 minus A1. Here A2 is 0.22 and A1 is 0.2. If we subtract them, we will get 0.02. Next common difference will be A3 minus A2. Here A3 is 0.222 minus 0.22. If we subtract it, we will get 0.002. You can see that first common difference is 0.02 and second one is 0.002. As the D is not constant, it doesn't form an AP, and there is, if it doesn't form an AP, there is no need to find out next 3 terms. Next given terms are 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12. Let's find out common difference. That is, here A2 is minus 4, A1 is 0. We need to subtract it. Minus 4 minus 0. Here the answer will be minus 4. And next common difference will be A3 minus A2. That is minus 8 minus of minus 4. This here minus into minus will be plus, and as the 8 and 4 are having different signs, we need to subtract them. That is 8 minus 4 will be 4, and answer will be minus, as the 8 is greater number and it is having a minus sign. Therefore the common difference is same. It forms an AP. Let's find out A5, A6 and A7. Here A4 is minus 12. By using this, let's find out A5. That is A5 will be A4 plus D. Here the D is minus 4. Therefore minus 12 plus of minus 4 will be here. We need to multiply it. Plus into minus will be minus. As 12 and 4 are having same sign, that is minus, we need to add them and write minus, and that is 12 plus 4 will be 16, and we need to write minus. That is A5 is minus 16. A6 is A5 plus D. Here A5 we got it as minus 16. In the same way, plus into minus will be minus, and we need to add them. We will get the answer as minus 20. Will be A6 plus D, that is minus 20 plus of minus 4. Here the answer will be, we need to add them and write the minus sign. The answer will be minus 24. We got A5 is minus 16, A6 as minus 20, A7 as minus 24. Let's move on to the next problem, that is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and so on. Here the A1, A2, A3, A4 are same. Let's find out common difference of this. That will be common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. Here A2 is minus 1 by 2 and A1 is minus 1 by 2. Here minus into minus will be plus, as one is having minus and another one is having plus, and the numbers are same. We need to subtract them. That is answer will be 0. In same way D, second difference is A3 minus A2. Here A3 is minus 1 by 2 and A2 is minus 1 by 2. Minus into minus plus. Here we need to subtract and the answer will be 0. As the difference is 0 and it is same, it forms an AP. Remember, the common difference may be positive, negative or 0. Okay, the D is 0. Next we need to find out A5, A6 and A7. That is A4 is minus 1 by 2, therefore A5 will be A4 plus D, that is minus 1 by 2 plus therefore we will get the answer as minus 1 by 2, as there is no value of 0 and answer will be minus 1 by 2. In the same way A6 will be minus 1 by 2 and A7 will also be minus 1 by 2. Remember D may also be 0, but the difference is we will get all terms as same. I hope you have understood the concept. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.